Hello everybody and welcome back to another Humanagement tutorial. My name is Adam Whistler and I will be your guide for this video. Alright, so today we want to take a look at your knowledge base and how to create articles. So to create articles, you just simply go over here on the left menu to knowledge base and you click it, and from the drop down menu you can just navigate over to the create article here. Once you click that, you're going to have basically this page opening up. If you want to just quickly create articles without fiddling much with the settings, you can just switch this button here to basic, and in that case the system will only ask you to give the article name and the category. But if you want to fiddle around more with the options and settings, then just turn this on and you are going to get access to much more options for your article that you're creating, like article name, category, type, visibility, tags, assign, and assign, and so forth. So in order to create an article, let's get to it. Let's just give a name. So I'm just gonna write here article name. So article category. Yeah, so this essentially you're going to use to categorize articles so they will be easier to find. Just choose anything from the drop down menu, or you can create a new one by clicking on the little plus icon here, and then you can just enter the new category you want over here. And let's just say test category. All right, we're just gonna save it, and as soon as you save it, it's going to add the task category into the list and automatically select it. So yeah, that's how you create categories, and that's how you can assign articles to certain categories. Now, next option that we want to play around with is the type. So this is, again, it just helps you to better understand what an article or what a document is about. So it could be a policy, it could be a how-to, or you can create multiple additional type categories in a way. So you can just write whatever you want over here and then use your color code it so it's easier to find and understand what you're looking at, a description, and so forth. So we're just gonna do this a how-to. Again, this will just tell you what that document is about, like how to interpret that, like what is the purpose of that. So this is going to be a how-to. Next thing is visibility. So do you want this article which you're creating right now to be visible to all the staff members, or only to certain people that it has been assigned to down below? It's again up to you to choose that. So if there's something confidential, maybe you want to use assigned only. If you want all the staff members to be able to see it once they're looking at the all articles page, then just choose all staff option. Otherwise, if you even want to publicize this article and make it available publicly on a front end page, then you would choose public. So by default, public, all articles that are made public will be available through this link, which is view public articles. So if I click this, if I open this option here, you will see that it will open up a page where we have all the different articles available. This is for everybody, so they don't even need to be logged into Humanagement. And then people could just come over here and they can just click on any articles and they will be able to see it. So that is what public means. So right now we just want to make it for all staff. Tags. So tags will help you further categorize your article in case you have lots of articles, lots of documents. Tags might be easy, tags might make it easier for you to find what you're looking for. And then over here in this next four options is assign. It's like you can assign this document to certain divisions or departments which you have already created in your org chart. You can assign it to certain individuals that is added to your Humanagement account. You can assign it to certain positions that is on your org chart, and you can assign it to certain responsibilities that you have created. So you can just, for example, assign it to the development division, or I can assign it to development division and to Adam Whistler, and I can assign it, for example, to, let's just say, only to Adam Whistler and to people who have the positions of Facebook Messenger representatives. In this case, everybody who is a Facebook Messenger representative and Adam Whistler will get this article assigned to them in their basically like article study lineup. You can also, if you have multiple positions that or multiple divisions or departments that you want to assign this document to, then again just click over here and choose a new one. Click over here, choose a new one, and then now it will be assigned to all of these positions down below. So it's simple as that. Yeah, if you want to automatically assign it to everybody within your Humanagement account, then just check mark this. Otherwise, just yeah, leave it empty to further customize it. So one thing that you might be asking is, what is the difference between assigning it to everyone and making it visible to all staff? So making it visible to all staff means that people, all of your staff members who will go and browse through your articles will be able to see this document that you're creating. And assigning it to everybody will make it so that the system will basically add this article to their study lineup for each and every user. Alrighty. So next up is the article creator. So this is what we will work with. So over here you can type anything. You have all these different tools to further design your article and its content. So we have formatting. You can make something bold. You can change the color and so many other things. You can add emojis. There you go, 100%. There you go. Another thing that I like to use over here is the AI article creator, which is over here. So when you click it, it will open up the AI assistant window. So over here you can ask AI to create any sort of article for you. So create a internal training document on how to clean your workstation at the end of the day. And I just submit. It will load for a little bit, and then essentially it will give you a preview of the document that the AI has created. And I can just click insert, which will add this to the article, or I can just prompt again and click on try again. We're just gonna insert it right now. So you can see it inserted this right after everything that I wrote. So everything I wrote, it's irrelevant right now, so we're just gonna delete that. And we can further customize it. So if there is something you want to add to it, take away from it, then you can do it right now freely. If you want to, for example, further enhance what you wrote, let's say this wasn't created by an AI but by you, and you want to further enhance it or check for grammar and stuff like that, then you can just select everything, and there will be this little option here. So this is also an AI tool, and you can use AI to summarize the content, improve writing, simplify the language, expand the content, or trim the content, change the tone to professional, casual, direct, confident, friendly, or change the style. So let's change the tone to friendly. Let's see what that will do. I'm just gonna insert. Okay. Yeah, I mean, I guess there wasn't a lot to change on the friendliness of this document, but sure, now it's better. Fine, let's just see if there's anything else. Improve writing. Okay, I guess it's grammatically more correct and it's more readable. Next up is add video recording. So you can also add a video recording to your article simply by clicking over here and then dragging and dropping a video in here, in which case let me just show you how it will work. So I'll just go over here. So let's say I want to add this one here, and I can just open. And in this case, so Humanagement will ask me to upload the file. When you click upload the file, it will start uploading that certain video file. Once your file is uploaded, you can preview it right over here. You can click play and you can watch your video, make sure everything is good. Yeah, so that's pretty much it about adding a video. You can also do, by the way, like face recording over here or screen recording over here. And in that case, Humanagement will automatically record the content through the Humanagement application, and it will go directly into this article. Or you can add PDFs, PowerPoints, and other files, attachments to your article here. So if you want to add a PDF, just click on this button and you can drag and drop files over here. Now the good thing about Humanagement is that it actually has a integrated PDF reader. So you don't so when once you upload a PDF, people can look and view that PDF inside their browsers. They don't need to download it separately. Um, Let me just see if I can find a PDF somewhere. And let me just upload it. As you can see, once the PDF uploads, people will be able to view it in their browser just like you're viewing it right now in this article editor. So that's pretty cool. No more downloading from the internet stuff that you're just gonna look at for one time and not gonna use again. Yeah, the next thing is create a challenge or acknowledgement. So in certain organizations, it might be important to check whether employees